How to add Outlook to Gmail account. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you have to log into your Gmail account, and after that you have to click on the settings icon from here, and then click on see all settings, and then you have to just click on the accounts and import section from here, and then you have to click on the add a mail account from here, and this interface will pop up, and you just have to give the Outlook email address here, and this is the Outlook email address of mine, link, and then you can just click on link account to Gmailify or import emails from any my other account POP3. So I'll let it be like link account to Gmailify and click on next, and now it will want your password, so you just have to type in your password here. So let me give my password here and click on next, and after that your request will be granted and your Outlook account will be connected to your Gmail account. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.